Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X9 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find notifications and quick settings. Then let's go to status bar. And as you can see here, we've got the battery style and percentage. And the style is important here because it is tightly connected with the percentage which will be applied. So right now we've got this horizontal option. And after tapping on battery percentage, we can either show it inside the battery icon, outside the battery icon, or do not show it at all. It's completely up to you which option you prefer. However, if we will change the battery style from horizontal to the vertical option, the only option to show battery percentage is to show it next to the battery icon. We cannot show it inside. The only thing we can do here is to use this switcher. And the same situation with loop option. As you can see, the graphical the graphics will change, but the percentage will still be next to the battery icon, or do not show it at all, and we've got only the battery percentage. Or we can turn it off, and we will not have anything indicating the battery. So it's completely up to you which option you prefer and which option of displaying the percentage you prefer. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.